What's up, you guys? I'm super hyped up. I just got the Halo 4.5 SE from Novsight in the mail. I'm very humble right now to tell you that this guy is gonna get an upgrade, and it's thanks to Novsight. So I'm still thinking when I'm gonna put him. Probably gonna need your help on that, but I'm thinking more in the front bumper. And come on, let's just do the unboxing and see what's in the box. And here we have it, the 4.5 inch SEs from Novsight, the ones that I've been waiting for. But not only these, we're also gonna be installing the 6-inch SEs on the Jeep, on the Barricade, and I just can't wait to see them on. So let's do the unboxing and let me get on to the installation. Wow, the box alone, look at the packaging on this thing. They take pride on what they do, you know. These lights are not only beautiful, but they are a statement to what Novsight is doing. Look at these pods. They're heavy, they're well designed. Look at the air dumps for the cooling. That's just amazing. I'm gonna get to let me break it up. Here we got all the tools, the wires, tie wraps, everything. You got everything here. Everything is plug and play. And the installation is so simple. I'm gonna run the cables right behind the cables on the exports, so it's gonna be really easy. Let's do the unboxing on the 6-inch too. I'm gonna be running the cables together with those. So, and these are massive.
That's what she said.
Look at these beauties. I can't wait to see these things on. So I'm gonna speed it up so you guys can see the whole installation and I don't have to cut it anymore. Don't do this at home, kids. Check it out.
Oh wow, you got them installed already?
Hell yeah. You like it?
Yeah, they're nice.
Now that the lights are installed, the first things you notice is the slick design with that signature halo ring that not only does it give your vehicle a more aggressive, modern look, but it also doubles as a DRL for added visibility. And guys, there's no doubt about it, that if you're looking for something powerful, stylish, and built to last, these are the lights you need in your ride. That compact 4.5 size just makes it easy to mount on roof racks, bumpers, A-pillars, you name it, ATVs, UTVs. Now let's go and connect the wires so we can plug them on and let's see how they look at night.